drinking water from the river. Suddenly, he slipped and fell down in the river. And Dove was sitting on a tree. Dove plucked the leaf and put it on that river. And jumped on that and came out in the river. And said to Dove, turned to Dove after a few days and saw Anta aiming the arrow to Dove and saw that and quickly went and bite the Anta's leg. Anta screamed and the arrow missed to the Dove. This time Ant was saved the Dove. And both became good friends and went home happily. Moral of the story is, do good, have good. Thank you.